Hey, it's Michelle Cunningham, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make better quality videos using just your phone. Yeah, I said just your phone. Like, I'm serious. So many people are overcomplicating this. They say I can't get started with video because I don't have a fancy camera, or I don't have an expensive microphone, or I don't have a fancy ring light. And I'm here to tell you, you don't need all of that. I am going to show you exactly how I have built a multiple 7-figure per year business using videos that I shot on my phone. I'm telling you, it changed the game for me. When I realized as a non-techie person that I could make videos using my phone with a little bit of a microphone, I'll share which one is my favorite, and some little apps within my phone, I was like, stop it. That's when everything changed for me. My impact grew exponentially. I was able to get my message out to the world. I was able to change people's lives in a really big way. And because of that, I was able to produce an income that changed the lifestyle that my family and I have. And my passion is to show other people how the things in your brain that you know can become videos that you create to help other people, and how you can turn that into a profit. So if you're like,
yes, please show me your secrets. Show me how to make videos using my phone.
I'm gonna break it all down for you. I'm not very techie, it's gonna be really simple, but I'm gonna show you how these videos can change your lifestyle forever. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do them. I'm gonna share with you my favorite microphones. I'm gonna share with you my budget-friendly lighting. I'm gonna share with you apps that you can use, as well as different programs you can use to elevate your videos to the next level. So if you've been saying,
you know what, this is the year I really need to start making better videos. I really do want to make videos. Man, I really would love to help some people.
Then you're in the right place. I want to show you exactly how to do it and how to absolutely change the impact that you have in this world while providing high quality videos shot completely on your phone. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, this training will work for you. So click the link below, my friend, and I will see you on the next page.